Here I have Huawei Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. So if you noticed that your device works not on the same speed as usual, what you can do about it? You have the pre-installed application that's called Optimizer. You can open it. Then you will see in which condition is your device here, and if it needs some kind of optimization. The button Optimize will highlight here. You just tap Optimize, and after that it optimizes your device. You can also do the cleanup for some cache or junk files, and this will optimize your device too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.